We don't see things as they are. We see things as we are. Hello everyone. Good morning to all of you and very marvelous morning to very energetic, very dancing person, our teacher, Mr. Bhuvan sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Uh, all of you looking energetic, but mostly you all looking very tired. Why? Give me some charming smile and give me some energy.
Smile, please.
Smile, please. Because your smile gives me energy to speak here. So, as you guys know, I am Khushi Sharma before you, and today is my last speech here. Because it's been already 5 months since I joined these coaching classes, and that's why I'm gonna to tell you my class experience and some strategies which helps me to get command in English. But before starting my speech, I want to say thank you to sir to give me this chance again to come here, to stand here and prove myself. Thank you so much, sir. So guys, I hope I will not get you bored, so please listen me carefully. When I had come here, I wasn't know about English anything. I wasn't able to speak anything anymore because I only understand when some people talk to me in English, professor teach me. I understand, but I wasn't able to give reply them in English. So sometime I decided that I should learn English, but I never worked on that. And a time came when I went outside the city like Bhopal and Jabalpur for my internship. I learned there that how important English is. And when I came back, I decided that now I have to learn English. And that's why I joined Mr. Bhuvan sir coaching classes. Because in Google, sir's coaching classes was in top English coaching classes. And I, without any hesitation, I came here, and sir told me that you should start from tomorrow. And when I came here, I learned about many things like categories, voice, tense, many grammar. But along with grammar, I learned about personality development, about how to start conversation, stage performance, and paragraph writing, and much more. And after listening Bhuvan sir's instruction, and I tried to implement on myself, and I started to see changes on myself. And I think I'm able to speak English in front of you and in front of anyone. So guys, let's talk about some strategies. I know I'm not your teacher, I'm not your mentor, but as a classmate, I want to tell you some tips, some strategies that I followed, and I'm sure that if you will follow them, you will also get command in English. It's not like I'm giving you like a Bhuvan sir instruction, but I'm telling my opinion. See, when we try to speak English, no words, no sentence come in my mind, and it's a common problem with all who are struggling with speaking English. So, firstly, you have to assure yourself, manifest yourself that you can do everything, you can learn anything, and English is a language. English is a like of communication skill. So firstly assure yourself and start to work on that. When you started it, try to speak in front of mirror. And if you are making mistake, let it go, make mistake. But because when you make mistake and you watch yourself, so you can improve yourself again and again. And then you start to work on your vocabulary, because vocabulary plays important role in speaking English. Because see, when you go for speaking and you have knowledge about that and you try to speak, but you don't have any words to express yourself, and there vocabulary is play most important role. So work on your vocabulary. I know my speech is getting long, but I really want to tell many more things to you. But due to shortage of time, I will not take more time for you, and also you are look very tired, no energy, all of you, all of you. So again, I want to thank you, sir, because in Riva, and there is no like a Bhuvan sir who motivate you. With उनका इसमें कोई लाभ नहीं है, फिर भी वो he motivate to us and always say keep going, keep do it, never feel, never give up. And thank you so much, sir, always praising me, always cheering me, always motivating me. But sir, I want to request you that if I'm not part of these coaching classes, but sir, please in future, please guiding me for my better future. Thank you so much, and thank you so much to you guys, because you are very nice classmate, and thank you so much to listening me carefully. Thank you, sir.